The lymphatic system is a complex network of vessels and ducts that moves our lymph throughout our body. It's responsible for moving waste products away from healthy cells and moving germ-fighting materials towards those healthy cells when they're under attack from illnesses such as viruses. The lymphatic system doesn't have its own pumping mechanism like our cardiovascular system, which has the heart and numerous valves to pump the blood around the body. Instead, the lymphatic system relies entirely on the action of our muscles to pump the fluid around the body. So that's why if we're sitting down all day long, or perhaps if we're lying down, we'll often find that our legs may swell towards the end of the day as the fluid hasn't been able to be pumped efficiently around the body. And that's why manual lymphatic drainage can be so effective. Here at Jennifer Green Health and Wellness, we have two options for manual lymphatic drainage. The first is a one-off session. This is ideal for anyone wanting a general health boost to get the lymphatics going, consequently boosting your immune system, lifting your mood, easing your tensions throughout the body. It's particularly great for anyone who's perhaps feeling mentally overloaded or overstimulated perhaps, and really just needs their nervous system to relax. These one-off sessions can also be great for anyone with chronic fatigue or fibromyalgia. It can help work on all those congested neck and throat symptoms, again with the overwhelming fatigue. The other option is for patients with the more complex health conditions, such as lymphedema post-breast cancer surgery or lymphedema post-operations. It's also suitable for ladies who might get leg swelling during pregnancy, for example. This requires a minimum of 3 treatments, usually done quite closely together, and this will be under the guidance of our specialist, Sarah. So what's involved in lymphatic drainage therapy? Well, the treatment itself shouldn't be confused with massage because it's a very different treatment, and in fact there is no massage in it. So the treatment focuses on moving the lymph out of a congested area. However, in order to do this, we've got to work on the unaffected area first. So this is why we will always work on the front of the chest by the sternum. Lymphatic drainage therapy is a light touch work, and it works on the nodes and ducts within the body to help reduce any blockages that might be present, which then in turn promotes the natural flow of the lymphatic system and consequently promotes a healthier body. Very light and subtle movements will be used. Then, depending on the nature of the treatment, the therapist will use very light strokes on specific body parts to move the lymph around the body. Some movements will be incredibly light, some movements may involve the manual moving of a limb, such as your arm and leg. As always, if you have any questions about this treatment, please do get in touch.